In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password. To get started, click on the widget icon to open the UserWay widget. Go to the Manage button at the bottom left. If you haven't signed in yet, type your email address and password. Then click on the Login button below. Click Account Settings. In the drop-down, find Change Your Admin Password and click it. Type in your current password in the first field. In the second field, type in your new password and re-enter your new password in the third field. Click on the Update Password button. That easy! You can also make these changes in the UserWay Management Console. You may prefer it when you manage multiple sites. Go to userway.org. On the top right, click on the Sign In text link. If it's your first time signing in but you've already registered for an account, type in the email and password you registered with and then click Sign In. If you have not yet registered, go to Get Your Unique Code video tutorial. If you're already familiar with the UserWay Management Console, just visit manage.userway.org. You're now in the Management Console. To update your password, go to the left nav, scroll down to the bottom, and click on My Account. Now, click General Settings. In the middle of your browser, at the top, you will see the option to change your password. Type your old password. Enter your new password. Confirm it. And click on the Update Password button at the right. Remember that whenever you log in to manage your widget, you must use this new password. So if you think you'll forget it, mark it down somewhere safe.